What if they kick the door down? This guy would have. What? What the f? Nah, yeah. This is your boy Kmoney TV. You already know what time it is. Bringing the bangers back to the channel. Come on. We're going to be reacting to the Talk Ding Dong Ditch edition. Let's go. Now he took long to open that door. If he's smart, yeah, if he's smart, he'll wait for him to knock again. He'll wait and then just open it.
According to my calculations.
Ah, see it, see it. Ooh, run, run, run. You can't even hear me, why am I saying that? If that was me, I'd be gone. I'm not even looking back.
You going too slow, dog. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, suck my ass. Oh wait.
Jesus, bro. No, no.
Oh, okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, that's how they decide who's knocking. Okay.
Yeah, man. Pick the door, pick the door, pick the door. It's stairs though.
How's he escape? He has to jump down those stairs. And he's got the slides on too, if he doesn't drop. Look how it goes up. Ooh, nah. That's how you should wear normal shoes. How are you gonna wear slides? Look at him. Oh, that's smart. That's smart. Oh, he's still going. You could just hit under. Huh? There's a pit bull. Oh nah. Wonder if he's chasing me, I'm running straight to them, man. So then there's more options for him to get. Oh, he's good. What are you talking about a pit bull then? Flop. What if he had a dog and you just like get him? And now he looks under. A workout. I feel like this guy's now he's gonna wait on the other end of the door. First knock, watch this, I bet. Oh, what did I say? See, I knew it. Oh, count for water gun.
Alright, so you ready? This house is my homeboy's house, so we gotta send you. Alright. You ready? I think he had a dog. I remember, because his dog used to run away a lot, so I don't know if his dog's not here. But his dog was friendly, so I don't know. Unless he gets a new dog. But I'm high just in case. I'm gonna be behind the car.
Oh, there's a dog. There was actually a dog. Oh, okay.
Tree blend, the fruit yogurt with no added sugar and no sweeteners.
So this is the last house we're gonna hit. I already told them they could chill and film. I got a cameraman right here. This is a solo mission. So
If he mentions a dog is gonna be there, I'm not risking that. Maybe if it's friendly, but if they don't say nothing about friendly, don't some kind of going in there.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that.
it's a spot in as well. Alright, let's hang it.
Yeah, she wants so that. I feel like he's gonna go back and knock and he's gonna open the door then. Oh, he's looking through the window. I swear I saw the window move. I think I saw the window move. Why don't you just run the other way and jump over? Oh, he closed the door. See how quick they have to say it, because they in the hood.
Camera's right there, the camera's right there.
Man, he caught them, Alright, I got you guys. See, this music's already making me think something bad's coming. Oh, he's one of them ones. The ones that comes up. Going back for round 2.
Alright, round 2.
Same place. What is that? What's in his hand? He's got something in his hand. Alright. He wants all the smoke. Of course it's a bad idea, because he's ready.
Yo, he had a knife in his hand.
See that? Once you see that, you don't go again. Are you mad? Just go. Quick jokes. Look at that. Watch him now. Done. Run. Fuck. No. Don't even go there. Run. Oh. No, he's not, because he hasn't. Oh. Why'd you leave? Wolfie not faster than them. Run. Oh, crap. My guy's laughing too, you know. Oh, God. He's laughing as well. If he's laughing and I'm the one getting chased, I'm going for him. Run that. The door. They kick the door. What if they kick the door down? This guy would have. What the f? Nah, he had a shot. They went with the interesting one first. I just want to see what happens. Because they had to leave the camera to run. He looks like the type of guy, yeah, if he has a dog, he'll tell the dog to catch them. He takes so long to open his door. The second look and he's already mad. See, you don't want to play with the ones that have temper. Oh no, the way how they kick that. Are you searching? He ain't going there, he's waiting at that door. Take the camera and just go. I'm taking the camera and going, right? Oh my days. If he was... Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Like button's right there. You already know where the like button is. The subscribe is right there if you're not subscribed already. Press the notification bell to know when my videos are coming out. Like, subscribe, love.